All right, hello and welcome to Marvelous Medieval Marginalia. This exhibit is built around roughly 3 or 4 conceptual ideas. It's the idea of individuality, uniqueness, and agency, with the idea that manuscripts are the embodiment of these 3 traits. This is a celebration of the reader, who then was adding their own thoughts and influences and shaping and reshaping the manuscripts over time. The readers who were reading this were both enhancing but also disagreeing very actively with the text. So you'll see in the margins, there's one hand where they're just adding in names, and these are citations. Jumping into the next form of kind of an interpretation, we have the idle doodler. Sometimes the ways that readers are transforming their texts are through just boredom. So for example, this particular book here is 700 pages long. And for context, when you are copying a medieval manuscript by hand, it is often a very laborious process. And in that very serious and devotional effort, they have decided to dabble in, across nearly every page, ridiculous looking faces. It's just, they're all in profile. They have absurd hats. Their eyes are bizarre and skewed. They've got like bulbous little noses. And by the time you get over to here with the 14th century, the medieval reader has become this monstrosity almost. So the core text in the middle is this very dry, very boring legal text. And then you have on the outside, in perfect balance, a frame of further commentary and marginalia by a scribe. And then, unfortunately, but perhaps unsurprisingly, you have yet another reader who has gone in and destroyed that balance with their own marginalia. And so all of this is to say is that I have given you my interpretations. What I find interesting about them isn't necessarily what you will find interesting about them. Go forth, enforce your agency, read, write, doodle, think about everything, and come back and tell me why I'm wrong. Thank you.